हरिः कर्ता।
So this is the roadmap. So after you have done with the roadmap, you will be clear with your milestones, and you will be clear with what all course you're going to do next. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing that we are going to look into is, so before we understand statistics, you should know what is the difference between the mathematics and statistics, because from your childhood you would be having that mathematics in your syllabus, and you might have been studying that mathematics for long, and then also sometimes you get that statistics subject. So now what is the difference between mathematics and statistics? So mathematics and statistics, that's what we're going to see. Statistics is a separate discipline that uses math. That's the fundamental difference, but differs in fundamental ways from other branches of math, like combinatorics, or differential equations or group theory. So statistics is the study of uncertainty. Both mathematics and statistics are tools we use to model and understand the world, but they do so in very different ways. So math is good for modeling domains where the rules are logical and can be expressed with equations. One example of this is physical processes. Just a small set of rules is remarkably good for predicting what happens in the real world. Moreover, once we have figured out the mathematical laws that govern a system, they are infinitely generalizable. So Newton's laws can accurately predict the motion of celestial bodies, even if we have only observed apples falling from trees. On the other hand, math is awkward at dealing with error and uncertainty. So mathematicians create an ideal version of reality and hope that it's close enough to the real thing, but not so. Then the statistics shines when the rules of the game are uncertain. That's where the statistics comes, and that's where the statisticians thrive. So rather than ignoring errors, statistics embraces uncertainty. So every value has a confidence interval where you can expect it to be right about 95% of the time, but we can never be 100% sure about anything. But given enough data, the right model will separate the signal from the noise. So this makes statistics a powerful tool when there are many unknown confounding factors, like modeling sociological phenomena or anything involving human decisions. So these are the major differences between mathematics and statistics. So let me explain this in a much simpler way. So if you take a mathematics is a branch of science, let me put it in. Uh, let me put this in Jupyter notebook. That would be much easier. Okay, mathematics versus Okay, so mathematics, let me write it down. So mathematics is a branch of science that deals with the study of numbers, quantities, and shapes primarily. So it involves the use of logical reasoning. So what it consists of, it involves using logical reasoning and deductions and abstraction to study abstract concepts. So abstraction, we call it abstraction to study abstract concepts and relations between them. And the fourth one is relations between them. So mathematics is used in many fields including science, engineering, finance, and economics, everywhere. Okay. On the other side, statistics. Statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. So it involves the use of mathematical methods. It uses the mathematical methods directly, and mathematical methods to describe and make inferences about populations based on samples. So statistics is nothing but uses the mathematical methods, and statistics is used in many fields including social sciences, medicine, and business. So both while both mathematics and statistics are use mathematical techniques, so their focus and applications are completely different. So focus and applications are completely different. Okay, so statistics, mathematics deals with abstract concepts and relationships, while statistics deals with a real world data and making inferences about populations based on samples. This is the main and this is the major difference, an application related difference. Okay, so if you see, mathematics deals with abstract concepts and relationships. Example, Newton law, forces, and you have Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, and you have Planck's constant, you have energy equation, and you have the calculation of mass of electron and weight, and you have calculation of energy of electron, and then velocity of light. So all these are abstract concepts at certain moment. Then you use a mathematics to and to create, to make a relationship between various entities. So that's the main application of mathematics, relationships. While statistics is the while statistics deals with real world real world data and making inferences about populations based on samples. Okay, this is the major difference. So mathematics is often used to develop statistical models and methods, but statistics applies those models and methods to analyze real world data. So that's what it these are. Mathematics complement statistics, so that the statistics the mathematical models can be applied to the real world data through statistics by statistician. And one more major difference that I wanna tell you here is, so mathematics basically tries, it doesn't go well with uh, uncertainties and errors. Mathematics doesn't go well with errors and uncertainties. Uncertainty. So uncertainties. So if there are errors and if there are uncertainties, so mathematical models can't work out. So you do not have the buffer to handle. But when it comes to statistics, statistics does well with uncertainties. In fact, they thrive in uncertainties. However, to put uh, in a nutshell, so mathematics creates a models. Mathematics creates a model, and then that mathematics is often used to develop a model and methods, and these models and methods will be used in statistics to apply to the real world data, so that we can analyze the real world data and we can make out some business sense out of the real world data, so that we can improve the profitability of the company, or you can make the lives of the people better. So that's how a mathematics complements statistics to bring a change in our lives. So that's what the difference between mathematics and statistics. That is the relationship between the mathematics and statistics.